Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westchase local and long distance movers near me. Moving your possessions over a distance of at least 100 miles is referred to as long distance moving. We can transport your possessions safely inside a state, over state boundaries, and across state lines. We have an excellent working connection with the federal and municipal entities in charge of the relocation process. We also have insurance coverage to address any potential hazards that may emerge during and after the move. We are no exception to the rule that a local move is considerably less expensive than a long distance one. Our local moving costs are pretty affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our hardworking and certified movers will provide you with great value for your money. We know how to get around active regions and cities, so you can be confident that your things will arrive safely and on time. Our local movers are the finest in the field, and they're committed to planning the move meticulously and making the best selections possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Westchase moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.